A mass of 4 grams of hydrogen reacts with 2 grams of oxygen. If 1.94 grams of water is collected, what's the percent yield for the reaction? Well, we've got a bit of work to do here. We need a balanced chemical equation. We need to determine the limiting reactant either by inspection or by brute force. And then we need to compare that theoretical yield, which it will give us, to the actual yield of 1.94 grams to get a percent yield. Let's start with the balanced chemical equation. 2 to 1 to 2, 2 hydrogens plus oxygen makes 2 H2O. Remember that both H2 and O2 are diatomic. Let's try to do the limiting reactant by inspection. Well, 4 grams of hydrogen, that's 2 moles. That would require only 1 mole, or 32 grams. 32 grams, and we only have 2. Oxygen is hugely our limiting reactant. I am only going to do a 3-step process from oxygen to water, starting with those 2 grams. And I could even say that, 32 grams, I'd take a 6, no, I'll just do it out. 4 grams of hydrogen, okay, so we know it's the limiting reactant. And those 2 grams of oxygen are only enough to make 2.25 grams of water. Let's take a look. It's a 3-step process. 32 grams is a mole. We only have a 1/16 of a mole, but each mole of oxygen does form 2 moles of water that weighs 18 grams per mole. And okay, so it's enough to make 2.25 grams of water. That's our theoretical yield. They did pretty good. They got 1.94 grams out of the 2.25. That is an 86.2% yield.